In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change settings in Microsoft Edge. First, we need to open the Settings menu. Begin by launching Microsoft Edge on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the Edge icon, which looks like a blue and green wave. Once the browser is open, you will see the main interface. This is where you'll spend a lot of time browsing the web. In the upper right corner of the screen, look for the button that shows three dots arranged vertically. This is known as the Settings and More button. It's essential because it gives you access to various options. When you click this button, a drop-down menu appears, allowing you to navigate to different settings. Once you have the drop-down menu open, go ahead and select the option labeled Settings. This action takes you directly to the Settings page. You will see a variety of categories on the left side of the screen. Each category contains different options to customize your browsing experience. This step is important because it sets the foundation for all the changes you will make in Edge, ensuring that you have control over your browsing preferences. Now, if you prefer a quicker method, you can also access the settings by typing a specific address into the address bar. Type edge/settings and press Enter on your keyboard. This shortcut takes you straight to the settings page without navigating through the menu. It's a handy trick that can save you time in the future. You will notice the settings page loads instantly, giving you access to all the customizable options available in Edge. Next, let's explore some common settings you can change. One of the first sections you can adjust is Profiles. Here you can sign in or out of your Microsoft account. Signing in allows you to sync your data across multiple devices. This means your favorites, passwords, and browsing history will be accessible wherever you use Edge. To turn sync on or off, simply toggle the options provided. This feature is crucial for keeping your information consistent and easily accessible. Moving on, the next section is Privacy, Search, and Services. Within this section, you have several important options. You can clear browsing data, which is essential for maintaining your privacy. Regularly clearing this data helps protect your information from being accessed by others. Additionally, you can manage tracking prevention, which helps block trackers from collecting your data while you browse. This level of control is vital for a safer online experience. Now let's look at configuring security and privacy options. This allows you to set your preferences for how Edge handles security while you browse. You can choose to enable features like enhanced tracking protection and secure browsing. Adjusting these settings ensures you have a safe environment while accessing various websites. Keep in mind that these precautions significantly enhance your online security. After that, let's move to the Appearance section. Here, you can change the theme of Microsoft Edge. You can choose between light, dark, or system themes based on your personal preference. Adjusting the theme can make your browsing experience more enjoyable and visually appealing. You can also show or hide the Favorites bar, Home button, and Toolbar items. Customizing these elements can help streamline your browsing interface, making it easier for you to access your favorite sites quickly. Lastly, you can adjust page zoom and fonts to improve readability. This is particularly useful if you find some text hard to read. By increasing the zoom level or changing the font size, you enhance your overall browsing comfort. This little adjustment can significantly impact your experience, especially during long reading sessions. By following these steps, you have now customized your Microsoft Edge settings to better fit your needs. Enjoy your browsing experience.